Welcome back to another video, guys. Don't mind this big balloon. Today we are racing to the end in our jets. Let's launch. Oh no, my bomb. Well, I suppose that's good my bomb fell off. So basically today we are going to do challenges to see whoever's jet is better. Whoever makes it to the end first is the winner of this challenge. And in the next challenge, we will be fighting. Yes, you heard me.
I'm going to lose.
Yeah, I know. My jet's kind of like OD. Avocados from... Oh, wait. How'd you just go so fast?
What do you mean?
You just were behind me now. I won't mind it. Yes, I'm getting speed. No.
Me too.
No, my seat! My seat! Oh, my seat. That's not fair. Now you're definitely gonna win. Alright, I forfeit this round. I give it to you.
Yay! Alright, one second. Let me just get some money.
Alright, the next round will be who's can survive. Actually, no. So we're not gonna fly. We're gonna see, let's say like we crash. We're gonna see who's can take the most hits without flying. And whoever makes it the farthest wins this challenge.
Well,
So are you ready? You won the challenge. You know you won the challenge. You know.
I know. I was just trying to die, but my jet wouldn't let me eject. So what are we doing?
We're not flying. Delete all your jets. We're gonna see whose jets can make it the farthest without flying.
Alright. Let me just...
So tell me when you're ready.
If I can...
Alright, launching. Let's go. Actually, I might stay behind you this time. I got a strategy. Hey! Why are you doing that?
I am going to lose this challenge.
Why?
Because my jet is not sturdy.
I don't know what you're talking. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Yeah, I think I'm the ultimate. What? Wait. This doesn't count, does it?
What doesn't?
No.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
Wait, what? My character. Wait, there's a glitch.
What?
Half of my body was out of the thing. Can we restart that round? Fair,
I
fair.
don't know. Can we?
Yes, yes, yes. All right, reset your character.
Alright. What?
All right, guys. Evan had to do something real quick. We're still children. We still have responsibilities. So let's go.
No. Oh, yes. Thrusters?
No one said anything about thrusters.
I forgot to delete my jets.
Don't use them.
Alright.
Oh, sorry in the background if you hear my sister screaming. She's wild.
How long does this thruster take?
It's a red thruster. Oh no.
Yes. No, attach onto me.
No. What if I don't want to? You think I need to? Oh my gosh, sorry in the back. One sec. Sorry about the background. My sister's screaming. Oh. Hey!
What?
I just said hey. Like, hey.
Yeah, but you said it like, hey!
Hey! Hey! Over here! Hey! You! If we just get in the lead of him, you should have this. Just remember, I will be able to tell if you're using your rockets. Don't use your rockets.
Listen, I'm not trying to use them.
If I just get a lead here, this should be my game. I gotta get a comeback, guys. You don't understand. You don't understand, guys. Why do you gotta be like this? Now my rocket's definitely broke. Alright. I'm way ahead of him. Are you sure you're not using your rockets now? You're using your rockets. Yes, you are.
How
Yes,
do you know? Because I'm not.
yes, you are. Now you're not.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I haven't been.
I hear that giggle.
I haven't been using my rockets. Well,
Okay.
I'm in the cave.
Oh no, I don't want to fall. No.
Big brain. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Alright, it's safe for now. No, he's ahead of me now. He's ahead of me. No, I got it.
Just go around it.
I can't now.
The key. Go around it. Well, now I don't have a seat.
Oh yes, I might. This might be my game. This might be my game.
Oh no, not the B stage.
Yes, this might be my game.
Oh yeah, I'm dead.
You're dead? Wait.
Well, not yet, but I'm just saying I'm definitely going to be.
The pun there. B. You're like gonna be dead. Was that an intended pun?
No. No pun intended.
No, my seat, my seat.
Your seat breaks.
Yeah. No, 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 no. Come on, I gotta win this. Wait, you're dead! I won!
I died.
I win! Alright. Now we gotta go to the next round. The final round.
I got to the lighthouse and died.
Alright guys, we are starting Jet Wars. This is what Evan calls it. I think I've won this video. You know, just instincts. I don't know what's telling me. Oh my, where are you?
You said I had to be flying.
I win this video. Alright, sorry about that, guys, if you heard that. Oh no. Well guys, let's just say I win this video.
I'm still alive.
I win this video.
But I'm still alive.
You have used your jet.
I'm still flying. And what I'm flying with has jet in it.
Oh.
I'm using a jet.
I win. I win.
I'm still alive.
I win.
Bro, I'm still near the trees. Please don't see me, please.
I saw that. I win this video. I win this video. Like and subscribe, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See ya. Bye.
If I can just hit that.
Bye.